Hi folks, Vern here, W8VHS. This video is the wrap-up for the install of the Yaesu FTM400 XDR into my 2019 Ram 1500. This video will be in segments, with still images and a voiceover. In the first segment, you can see where I got power from the factory, underhood, relay, and fuse box holder. I purchased the fuse box on Amazon. I used industrial strength outdoor Velcro to secure it. The positive and negative wires supply power and ground to the fuse block, and they are 10 gauge silicone wire. I also used heat shrink crimp-on connectors to terminate the wire. From the fuse box to under the rear seat, I used 12 gauge wire inside a wire loom. You can see it in the stills how I routed the power wire and then terminated it with Anderson power poles. On to the next segment. In this segment, you will see how I ran the control wire and microphone extension cable under the rear floor mats and up into the center console. For entry into the WeatherTech underseat storage, I drilled a 7/8 inch hole and used a rubber grommet. You will also see the mounted location of the radio along with the mounting bracket for the radio head. For the head, I used a LIDO mount, which utilizes the CD player. The only thing yet to decide is where the microphone will live. When I figure that out, I'll do a video on that also. I hope some of you all get something out of this series of videos on my mobile radio install. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. 7-3.